All right, so look, I wanted to say this too. If you have a process that you use to help you be consistently profitable over time, you should keep doing that. I'm recommending something that worked for me. I'm not saying that it'll work for everybody because actually, I don't think it'll work for everybody because everybody's not going to want to do all this work that's required. But when you put so much effort into a certain amount of work and it's a little bit easier to stand behind, oh, this is the reason why I put this trade on because of this, that, and this. You know what I'm saying? You have this whole process that makes you believe in the reason why you put the trade on. And we all know that the why question is one of the most important things that you could ever ask. You know what I mean? Or answer. That's all.